Hello, my dear children. How are you? Children, today we will study our grammar book, chapter number 4. So, before starting the chapter, let me tell you one thing. Children, when we study, you should be very attentive. You should pay attention as language. You should keep everything in your mind. You should make notes. You should write everything in your notebooks and in your books also, and try to understand what the teacher is teaching, revise the same, prepare the chapter thoroughly. Clear? So you all should be ready with your books, notebooks and your pencils. So our fourth chapter is negative sentences. A positive or affirmative sentence tells us that something happens or exists. What it tells, positive or affirmative sentence, that something happens or exists. It is there. A negative sentence tells us that something does not happen or exist. Let me make you clear this. We will read these sentences. Left hand side affirmative and here negative sentences. I am a musician. It means that I am a musician. I am not a musician. The word not is used here. So it becomes negative. She is a singer. She is not a singer. He was my classmate. He was not my classmate. They are good citizens. They are not good citizens. Some people were present there. Some people were not present there. Understood? So, when not is added in affirmative sentences, they become negative. The sentences on the left hand side are affirmative sentences. The sentences on right hand side are negative sentences because they have the word not in them. To what it express, not express refusal or denial. Read the following sentences. Affirmative, negative. She speaks politely. She does not speak politely. She does not speak politely. The sun shines brightly. The sun does not shine brightly. You write well. You do not write well. He came very late. He did not come very late. The gardener waters the plants. The gardener does not water the plants. Children, you should remember this thing what I am going to teach you. The negative sentences in present or present simple or past simple tense is formed. How they are formed? With, you should remember this, okay? We use do or does, then not, then base form of the verb. This is present simple tense. Do, does plus not plus base form of the verb. And remember, we use do with they, V I U, it means with plural forms. And we use does with he, she, names. It means singular form. Let me explain you this. Now, she speaks politely. She speaks politely. Now we have to make the negative sentence. She is there, singular form. She, what we use, do or does? Does. She does not, and speaks will change into speak politely. Now next example, you write well. Now you is in plural form. What will you write? You, we use do, not does. Do not write well. So this was simple present with singular and plural. Now past tense, he came very late. With past tense we use did. He did not. Did not. Came will become come. Come very late. Is it clear? Understood? Okay. Now one more thing you have to remember, the negative sentences in present continuous, or past continuous are formed with, how they are formed? Am, is, are. Am, is, are, then not, then present participle. You have studied in your previous classes, present participle means ing form. Got it? Reading, writing. Okay, so this is present continuous. And was, were plus not plus present participle ing form. Okay, so this becomes past continuous. Understood? Past continuous are formed with am, is, are plus not and present participle ing form, and past was, were plus not plus present participle. For example, let me give you an example. I am going home. I am plus not plus present participle going home. Clear? She is reading a book. Now She is not reading a book. Next example. They were, past, now it is past. They were plucking flowers. And how negative sentence will be formed? They, past tense, were not, ing form, flowers. And suppose he was walking in the morning, he was not walking in the morning. Is that clear to you all? Now one more thing children, you have to remember the sentences containing have, has, had, they show possession, means ownership. So they show ownership, possession. And the negative sentences containing have, has and had, they are formed. How they are formed? Have, has, had plus no. We don't use not here. We don't use not here. We use no. No is another name for a negative word. No is another negative word which means not any. What it means? Not any. So when in the sentence we have, has and had, we make the negative sentence using the word no instead of not. For example, they had a car. So what will be the negative sentence? They had, we don't write not here, they had no car. Is that clear? Now children, general rules for making negative sentences. See children, you should listen carefully and you have to remember all these rules so that you can make the negative sentences properly. The word not is placed between the helping verb and the main verb. He is not walking fast. What is here? Helping verb. Walking, main verb. And where this word not is placed? In between helping and main verb. The word not is jointly used with the modal verb can. For example, you can not. You cannot write like this can and not. No, you have to write it together. Cannot. You cannot solve this problem. If helping verb consists of more than one word, try to understand children. If helping verb, in the last example we have seen is helping verb. Now here if helping verb consists of more than one word, not is placed after the first one. For example, they will be. Will and be, they both are helping verb. And now where we put the not? In between the first two helping verb and not in between the helping verb and the main verb. Understood? If helping verb is one, then we put not in between helping verb and main verb. But here two helping verbs are there. We will put not in between these helping verb. They will not be going by train. If a sentence contains have, has, had to show possessions, the negative sentence can be formed in the following two ways. I have a computer. I have no computer. Instead of not, we use no. And one more method is I do not have. If you want to put not, then you have to add here do. I do not have a computer. Now children, the following negative contractions, short form verbs plus not, are generally used in the English language. You should go through it, read it and learn it. Am not, am and apostrophe T. Is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, will not, won't, would not, wouldn't, shall not, shan't, should not, shouldn't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, must not, mustn't. We use negative words like not, no, never, none, nobody, nothing, neither, nor, etc. to make negative sentences. Read the following sentences to understand their uses. It is raining. It is not raining. I have a car. I have no car. He always obeys his elders. He never obeys his elders. Always will change it to never. Only he knew the truth. None but he knew the truth. Somebody is in the building. We have used none. Now nobody. Somebody will change into nobody is in the building. There was something in the room. Something will change into nothing. There was nothing in the room. She is either Russian or Polish. So either will change into neither or will change into nor. She is neither Russian nor Polish. So children, now what you will do, you will all revise the chapter, make note of it, and now we are going to do the exercises, but you should do revision properly. Write the contracted forms of the words given in the brackets. I am not. Am not will change into amn't. A-M and apostrophe T. Going there. Is not. Isn't. Are not. A-R-E and apostrophe T. Aren't. Do not. Don't. Will not. Won't. So my dear children, you revise the chapter thoroughly. Repeat what we have done. Do practice, and rest of the exercises we will do in next video. Till then, goodbye.